It looks good. You're doing great. Focus on what you're doing. Yeah? You're doing very well. Who? Alvin? Where's Alvin? Alvin! Your sister is a bit busy. Is your mom outside?
Alvin? We're not in a rush. Hi, Alvin.
Focus on what you're doing. Your brother is here to pick you up. Oh my God.
The big boy's here to pick up the little baby Anisha.
That looks really good, Edgar. Keep going. Make sure they can all fit on there, but nicely, yeah? Focus on what you're doing, please. You do have some skills there, Edgar. You do. It's a nice thing. You can actually organize food quite nicely. Afternoon tea time. Not bad, eh? How you going, Anisha?
I'm going okay.
It looks nice. What do you think? Should we include a bit of ham in there?
Yeah.
Alright. Liam will take care of that. Just get all the croissants ready. And then Edgar will organize the first course. And then Liam will organize the second course. This is the second course, which is the croissants with ham and custard and with a spread. And of course, we have this one for the first course. It's not croissant, it's croissant. It's French. Croissants. Yeah, croissants. How would you pronounce it? How would you pronounce it? Croissants? Croissant. All right, croissant. How would you pronounce it? What? Well, hold on. Can't hear you. Did you say it quietly because you didn't say it right? No, it's not croissant. It is croissant. Right? All right, I'll see to him. Yes, take one. All right, take your apron off and net, put it in the box, and then thank you very much. It's croissants, not croissant. Oh, it's a croissant. Okay, no, that one is different variety of amazing crackers. Move your face. All right, now you've done a beautiful job. Apron off, net off, wash your hands, and then as soon as everybody arrives, we eat. All right, thank you.